Hi guys, again I'm Babak with you. I'm co-founder and CEO of Business Start Ideas, and first of all, welcome to our Facebook group. And here is what you should do next. I just want you to read this everyone start here information and go to this link and watch this free webinar. On this webinar, I will explain you how exactly Business Start Ideas can and will help you to make money online, because we give you everything you need to start your business online, starting it from scratch. Okay?
Out this present.
So just read, watch this webinar, and after that, simply press this button, and you will be redirected to the page where you would need to, let's say, fill in this email here. Give me your best email, and after that you will receive access to Business Start Ideas site. Okay, the Business Start Ideas site, this is a completely done for you business, and first of all you will get all the funnels with built for you products which you will be able to promote from your day one. Okay, and we even decided to go even further. Okay, and if you go to this link, what if you are a newbie, yeah? Watch this video, because actually we created system when you simply pay for traffic and we do the rest. Well, actually we do everything for you. We give you done for you products, and you simply pay for traffic and automation, and we let's say do everything the rest. Okay, so you will only see your new members inside of your membership area. You will see your sales and everything is done for you. So I'm proud that we decided to do this, because most of our, let's say, new members, they are simply newbies. They don't have experience how to make money online. They don't have this software that is needed for this and everything. Okay, but if you have let's say intention to start making money online, this is the right choice to start with us. So simply please read this instruction and follow the steps.